Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Christian. I work here at ONSRA in our showroom in Emmen, and today I'm going to show you how to change the tube on the 150mm AT wheels. Alright, what you need is the 3mm tool that was sent inside of the box. I'm just going to use the 3mm with a power tool. Then the tire you have, which is flat, and a spare tube, as well as a normal bike pump. You should take off the wheel from the board and then simply unscrew these 5 screws, and the nuts which hold the screws will come out on the other side. Right, now you can see all 5 nuts are out, and you can basically just have one side of the rim and push it outwards. So one side is out, then basically just remove the other one. Make sure you don't lose the nuts or the screws or the spacer between the bearings. Next thing you can do, take off the valve cover and just release all of the pressure which might still be in the tube. Now simply take out the tube out of the tire. Now before you replace this, you can try and fix it with the normal tire fix you have for bicycles or maybe tube milk, but today we're just gonna replace it. Easiest way to put in the tube into the tire is to put a little bit of air inside of it. Just like this. It's still really soft, but it has its original form. I can simply put in the tube into the tire. As you can see now, it's in and it will stay here. Right now I'm checking how the tire should be mounted onto the rim so the direction is correct. For the valve, there's a cutout here inside of the rim. Put the spacer in between of the bearing again and another cutout for the valve. Right here it's very important that you make sure that you don't squish the tube in between of the rim right here, because if it gets squished it will break over time again. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting all 5 screws back in. And put each nut back on one by one. Right now your tire is completely assembled again. All the screws and nuts are in. Now you can pump up your tire. The pressure is always stated on the wall of the tire itself. So for example, for this wheel I need 350 kPa, that is 3.5 bar or 50 psi. Perfect, so now it's pumped up to 3.5 bar. You can put the valve cover back on and it's finished. So the harder your tire is, the more range, the more speed you're gonna get, and the softer it is, it's gonna be more comfortable and you're gonna have more grip on the road. My personal preference is I always put about 3.5 bar because that gives me the best performance and overall good grip. If you have any questions, let us know and we will try to answer all of them in the comments. And else, We will see you next time.